If you need to strike through text in LibreOffice Writer, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you're editing a document, marking something as completed, or making a revision note, Strikethrough is a simple formatting tool that can save you time and keep your writing organized. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical software tips like this. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. You can either start a brand new Writer document or open an existing document that already has the text you want to edit. If you're working on a file you already have, just locate it and open it in LibreOffice Writer. Once your document is ready, select the exact text you want to strike through. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the word, sentence, or paragraph you want to format. After the text is selected, look at the top menu bar. Click on Format. This menu contains a lot of text styling options, and it's where you'll find the setting you need. From the Format menu, move down and click on Text. A sub-menu will appear with additional text formatting choices. In that sub-menu, find the Strikethrough option and check it. This applies the strike-through effect to the text you selected. Now click OK to confirm the change. As soon as you do that, the selected text will appear with a line through the middle, which means the strike-through formatting has been applied successfully. It's that simple. If you want to remove the strike-through later, you can follow the same general process. Select the text again and turn the option off. That makes it easy to toggle the format whenever you need it. This is especially useful for to-do lists, edited drafts, or documents where you want to show changes without deleting the original text. So just to recap, open LibreOffice, open or create your Writer document, select the text, go to Format, choose Text, check Strikethrough, and click OK. In just a few seconds, you've learned how to strike through text in LibreOffice Writer. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more LibreOffice tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.